January 19th, 2019, I just picked up a 3-pack of these Kobalt folding Lockback Knife Set with a lifetime guarantee. Picked those 3 up for $5.98. And it comes with a little dispenser of 10 extra blades. But for $2 a pop, I've already given one to each of my children. Probably be a copay for that later, but you can't see too much about this on the internet. But I don't like jewelry knives. I like stuff I can tear up and loan to the neighbors. So it's a lockback. That's important to me. And you can work this thing with one hand if you are strong enough or you have fine furniture that you can beat it on to make it close and open. It's a struggle. It probably needs lubrication. Like I should probably spit right in there. Alright. Well, so it's one of these acrobat kind of locks. You got to move your hand all around. It's got a little plastic protector on the front. I've been hanging on to that. I like that. And it works on there closed. There's nothing preventing this thing from opening. Some lockback things will prevent you from opening it. The clip for the pocket is nice. It works on the pocket of my jeans. That's all I care about, so I didn't try nothing else. Well, let me open it and measure it. Some people care about this crap. I don't, but I don't want to answer questions about this. It's a cheap-ass knife. So, 30 to 15 is 30, no, 15, so 17 centimeters long and 6 3/4 inches open. And closed, it's less than that. It's like, I don't know, 4 1/4 inches and 11 centimeters. Here's something that you might find interesting. It takes these other blades. I don't know what else to say about it. It's a cheap knife. Did I mention it's $2? Beat the shit out of it. Enjoy.